Sarap. Ako, di ba? Indoor sports activity.
Swerte, may jacket mga bata. Wala pa.
Thank ko na si Vice Chief.
Ba't mo? Yan.
Oh, sure. Dito? Okay. Second nila. Hi. Good morning.
For the students na nagtuturo ko na vaccines, ano po yung mga vaccines at grade levels po?
Well, yung nangyari today is the symbolic opening of the campaign for vaccination sa ating mga mag-aaral sa pampublikong paaralan dito sa lungsod ng Maynila, elementary at high school. And this is a start, and this is the day that we're going to vaccinate 53,000 more or less clients or mga batang Maynila sa lungsod. At lalo na yung sa mga kababaihan, mga estudyante babae, yung HPV, importante yung HPV dahil talagang isa yan sa mga sitwasyon na paglaki ng ating mga kababaihan. Malaking porsyento ng kakasakit dyan. But then again, we're very happy despite of lacking of resources, we're still happy with the partnership and the help of the DOH family with this journey of protecting the kids or mga batang Maynila.
Ano po itong inaasahang epekto ng programa po sa mga Maynila?
It's more on really protection and prevention of possible mga sakit bata na pwede nilang makuha. So it's like the way it was during our first term. Ewan ko naalala niyo yung sa HEPA vaccine natin, and so on and so forth. And we're very glad to share to the people of Manila at the rate we are going in the past, we always achieve our goal and the national goal ng DOH. So we are hoping that in the coming days, parents and children will participate in the program. Kasi tingnan ninyo, in line with this protection sa ating mga batang Maynila, today, if I may say, we are almost in a critical situation with regard to the leptospirosis infection. This is our second week of dry days. After the typhoon Krising, I would like to inform the public that we are 140 cases in the city. 4 deaths. Nalulungkot tayo. Sumakabilang buhay dahil sa infeksyon ng leptospirosis. But why am I saying that kailangan mag-ingat ang taong bayan? Because of the flooding, 140 cases, that is 0.73% attack rate. So that is about the average of 0.5. So that's why nananawagan ako sa ating mga kababayan, sa mga barangay, while we're having a flood control project problem in our own little way to 896 barangays, we must continue and pursue declogging our drainage system. Kahit man lang sa mga kanal natin, mabawasan natin ang espasyo o bara sa ating mga imbornal. Second, yung mga stagnant water o kung pwede sa ating mga barangay, ay tulungan na natin alisin ito, baka ito naman ang susunod na maging problema natin o yung dengue problem. But for now, we are after to protect our children. In the same manner, we are facing another challenges, yung after effect ng flooding. That's why I've been saying, and I think you were there during my interview, that it's very important for the government, whether national or local, to address the flooding problems of the country, in our case, the city, and simply because it will cause more damage to property and life. Ngayon natin mararamdaman. And in fact, kanina nag-uusap kami ni Director Dr. Padilla ng Manila Health Department. Baka tumaas pa. Kasi ngayon pa lang talaga mararamdaman. Ang tawag nila doon po yung paghihinog ng infection. So, yun lang. Let me use this opportunity na manawagan sa ating mga kababayan na mag-ingat. Hanggat maaari, katulad ngayon, medyo tuyo naman, walang baha, pero pag may baha, sa mga areas, mag-ingat kayo. Huwag kayo masyadong magpa-expose sa baha dahil it's really dangerous. The procedure to attend to leptospirosis infected patient is terrible. Mahirap na sakit ito.
Ngayon, may sapat po ba tayong mga buffer na para matugunan itong campaign na ito?
Yes, once we launch something, there is enough for everyone, even in the past. Kaya masinop na binabantayan, ini-implement ng Manila Health Department at ng DOH.
Your may ano po ba yung
Sure.
Manila LGU regarding to sa situation ngayon po sa BGH na overcapacity? Paano po yung mga ibang Manileño din yung
Ay, kami naman, willing. Ang ospital, I always believe that bawat buhay mahalaga. Bawat buhay may halaga. At bagay lamang bigyan ng sapat na atensyon yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong, lalo na patungkol sa ospital. As far as we're concerned, we're very happy that we have enough hospitals owned and run by the local government. But then again, bilang Pilipino, as Filipino, at kapwa Pilipino, and especially PGH, Jose Reyes, San Lazaro, Philippine Heart Center, Tondo Medical, and all other National Kidney, National Lung Center, and all other national government hospital is the partner of the city government hospital. Nagpapanagpuan din naman kami sa intersection. Minsan nagpapalitan din kami ng pasyente. Mano pa, yung mga pasyente namin na nangangailangan ng espesyal na atensyon doon sa kanilang sakit. So we will do the same and be nice to our neighbors. In this case, with regard to your question, we'll be happy to help. Tulong-tulong lang. Thank you.
Hi, Vice!
Hi! Ikaw, mapapakuna ka?
Yun nga po, mami. Maglalaro si Yorm.
Lamig, ano? Ang lamig eh.
Talo! Wala!
One more.
Op! Ay! Natawa ko, ang taas eh.
Ano na kayo?